You got your Easter grass everywhere? What are you doing? You want the pillow up there? You threw your other one? Here. This, it isn't. Oh yeah, it is because your Gatorade spilled in the diaper bag. That one is good. You don't want that one? Okay. You want the wet one? Want this one? There we go. You don't want that one. It's exactly the same. You want this one, the wet one with Gatorade? Okay. Let me put it up here for you. Watch out. There you go.
What?
It is wet. Yep, you knew that. A wet pillow? Do you need anything? What do you need? A blanket? There's one right there. Pull. You need help. Do you need help? Here you go. Okay. Do you want him? Do you want Jake or no? Do you need anything else? Huh? Does he need blankets? There. Is that better? Do you need anything? Are you good? Yeah, he's got a blanket. Alright. I could sit down now. After I move all this stuff off the couch. What are you doing? You need help? Huh? Do you want to cover up? Let me have your shoes. Oh, that was dumb. I'm going to take your sock with it, okay? Ooh, yeah, because I forgot there was sand. There was sand in your other sock, huh? Okay. No, they have sand in them. What do you want to watch? What do you want to watch? Here. You want the sock on? Here, it's wet. Here, put it on. Put it on. There. Are you better? It's wet, exactly. Give it to me. Do you want to watch a movie? Huh? Do you? Why are you mad, bro? Do you want to watch a movie?
It's your mama.
It's a camera.
Hey.
Say hello.
Hello.
Ooh, you got booger. You gotta hold it, kind of hold it away from your face. Don't hold it on your face. Hold it back here. Yeah. Back here. No, you don't put it in your face like this. You do that. Here, watch. You can flip it around. We'll stop.